Hello everyone. So in this class we are discussing hydride shift and methyl shift. So methyl shift and hydride shift. So it is very interesting. So how the shifting is takes place. So about in 1 degree and 2 degree and 3rd degree carbocation. So first before that we are seeing just stability order of carbocation, then after enter into so how the hydride shift is taking place and methyl shift is taking place. Okay, so before that, so we are discussing the stability of carbocation or in additive effect. So here, so stability of carbocation. So first one is in the 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. So that means secondary, primary and tertiary, and 0 degree. So here if the carbon atom has 3 methyl groups is there, so here 3 methyl groups. So this is stable carbocation, okay. So here and 2 methyl group is there and 1 hydrogen atom is there. So it is a secondary carbocation. So the carbon which is attached to 2 carbon atoms, okay, the carbon which is attached to 3 carbon atoms, that's why it is 3 degree carbocation and 2 degree carbocation. And it is primary, so here one H and here H. So why primary? Because the carbon atoms is attached to only 1 carbon, so that's why it is primary. And 0 degree is methyl, okay. So this is which is in among those which is more stable carbocation. The stability which is the chain, the number of carbon chain is increases, stability also increases, so inductive effect also increases, okay. So here the stability of carbocation is 3 degrees more stable than this, and 2nd degree and primary and 0 degree, okay. So because the carbon chain is decreases, so left to right and right to left is increases, okay. Here left to right, so the chain is decreases, and right to left, so chain is increases, so stability also increases. So for example, we take 1 degree of carbocation here, like so in methyl shift and hydride shift so happen, so it produces 3 degree, so more stable carbocation will produce. Look at this, how they are produced, okay. So how they are produced, subprimary means tertiary carbocation from the primary. So that is in the process of hydride shift and methyl shift, okay. So hydride shift and methyl shift. So here hydride shift and methyl shift we are discussing now. So in methyl shift, methyl is shifted, and in hydride shift H minus is shifted, so hydrogen is shifted. So look at this, how they are shifted now. So hydride shift, so H minus and CH3 minus or CH3 carbocation, so will be formed like this. So from this, so primary carbocation, here primary carbocation, here H, here CH3, here CH3, okay. So this is a process of this so conversion of hydride shift and methyl shift. So methyl shift, so this is a primary, here carbon primary, so and another methyl shift how takes place. So here also same, here CH3 and CH3 and CH3 is a 4 degree carbon, so carbon is attached to 1 2 3 4, so this is the primary, okay. This is the process. First starting material, this is methyl shift and hydride shift. So first one, see hydride shift. So hydride shift, so hydride shift, so here primary carbocation, here 1H and here CH3. So here primary carbocation, so this is bond goes to this side, so this is bond goes to this, and the electrons are shifted here, 2 electrons, so it get positive charge, right. So the electrons are comes here and it get positive charge, so these electrons are goes to this side, okay. So it can be formed as, so means carbocation, stable carbocation, okay. Look at this, how they are formed. So CH3 and CH3, so it get electrons are goes to this side, and so here getting positive charge and CH3, okay. So this hydrogen is goes to this, come and attack. So it means this hydride shift, this is a hydride H minus, so when it is come outside, so it is H minus, it goes to attack on positive charge, so both are balanced, so CH3 will be formed. So that means tertiary carbocation, 3 degree carbocation is more stable than primary. So this is the indication for this. So this is one of the best thing to hydride shift, it's a very important thing. Okay, so next one is so method shift. So here tertiary carbocation is more stable than primary. So here method shift, what happens, see it also same, but method shift is there. So look at this, so from CH3 and CH2, here CH3 and here CH3 and here CH3. So this is here the fourth carbon, this is a 4 degree carbon, so here no, so this is sp3 ablation strong, so it is going to be this primary. Okay, so primary, so here this bond, so this methyl shift, so because so methyl shift is goes side and it get positive charge. So this methyl this means this method ion is goes to on this, so it both are balanced like, and CH3 and CH3. So here electrons are there, so this comes to this side and it get positive charge, then method ion is goes to attack on positive charge, so it will be formed, this here carbocation will be formed. Okay, so CH2 and CH3, so this is a tertiary, so the carbon which is attached to 1 2 3 carbons, that's why tertiary is more stable than so primary. Okay, so here methyl shift and hydride shift are very easy to do. So this is a today class section about the small differences in between so method shift and hydride shift. So hydride shift H minus is going to be attack on positive, so carbocation, and next primary. So and here method shift methyl cation, so method ion she is going to be attack on CH2 plus. So this is the happen, so tertiary carbocation will be produced, tertiary carbon cation is more stable than this. Okay, so this is the today class, so about hydride shift and stability of carbocations also we see. So again, so here in last class we are discussing ring expansion. So ring expansion may, so in ring expansion what happens, so size, so small size is to so large size, so like cyclopropane to cyclobutane, cyclobutane to cyclopentane, and cyclopentane to cyclohexane. But here one thing is that, so this is very stable, okay, than this. Okay, I am indicating like this. So this is a very stable than this is stable than this is stable than this, cyclopropane. So this is so formation, so one break the bond, it will form like this, so and it will form pentane, cyclopentane, cyclohexane. But here once again you break the bond in a number of, so it cannot be so valued because it is more stable compounds. So it form like cycloheptane, but it is not say stable molecules, so it is very stable, that's why it cannot so move forward. So this is a ring expansion, so it is a more stable cyclohexane, and then this and then this. Okay, so this is a ring expansion means so outside the ring. So ring expansion means the carbocation which is present on the outside ring, so that's why they are the, so ring expansion takes place in the presence of heat, so it will be expanded some and cool down, that is ring contraction. So this is a today class ring expansion and methyl shift and hydride shift. Okay, so this is a very important thing, the stability order, so which is more stable going to be. So this is a today class, and do subscribe my channel finally and watch complete this video. This will be very important thing for the so our examination purpose. Thank you.